How to update Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can update the system software on any Samsung Smart TV. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to update the system software on Samsung Smart TV, just need to come to the home page of your Smart TV, and from the home page you just need to go all the way to the left side until you get to see this option called settings. And once you're here inside the settings, press OK, and this will get into the settings. Now from the settings you just need to come to this option called support, and once you get into the support you just need to go all the way to the right side. So I'm going to press the side arrow button, and this will bring up the first option, software update. So you can go ahead and tap on a software update. Just need to press OK, and you'll get to see two different options. Auto update is selected, so if you select that, your TV will be automatically updated, but we're just going to update right now. So I'm going to select the update now button and then press OK from the remote, and this will actually checking for the update. So you just need to wait some time until this process is being completed. Once the checking is complete, here it says there are no updates for you at this moment. So that's why I already updated my TV, but if you haven't, you'll get to see the update right here. You can press OK and your TV will be automatically updated. And this is how you can update any Samsung Smart TV. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.